Good morning, everyone. My name is Jay Ralph Solier. So today we will discuss about cutting edge in HR. Okay. So recruitment marketing platform applies the principles of branding, marketing, and advertising to attract candidates instead of customers. It helps to establish a consistent employer brand and acquire inbound applications. A recruitment marketing platform brings together all these efforts under one umbrella, giving you greater control and visibility into the effectiveness of your recruitment marketing efforts. So let me give an example of recruitment marketing platform. So this is the Indeed.com. So yes, yan. So our employers, dito po sila magpo-post ng mga jobs and candidates can also look for jobs that are suitable for them. Okay. Next is we have hourly worker hiring tools. So these tools help hire hourly or shift-based workers. They follow a different recruitment cycle from permanent employees with a different payment schedule, separate contracts, and unique engagement needs. And also hourly hiring is typically time constrained, making these tools useful for recruiters. Next is payroll automation tool. So the name says it all. Payroll automation eliminates all the paperwork and compliance formalities you perform at month end based on pre-configured business rules and employee attendance data. It delivers wages straight to employees' bank accounts. So example of payroll automation tools, QuickBooks, Zero. So ayan. So those uh, automation tools can used by our entrepreneurs sa mga small businesses, sa mga enterprises, okay, to automate ang payroll solutions nila. Okay? So less paperwork. So why do you need it? So most mid to range large size enterprises use some form of digital payroll system. So if you're still using spreadsheets or manual processes in 2022, might be the year to make the switch as part of your organic growth curve. Alright, so onboarding solution. In many companies, onboarding continues to be a manual process with HR distributing a pile of forms, recruits going through the learning material, and a lengthy approval process involving various stakeholders. And onboarding software automates all of this, okay, accelerating the recruit's journey in your company and improving the employee experience from the get-go. All right. So why do you need it? So apart from the simple fact that it saves you time and effort, HR technology also strengthens the onboarding process. Okay, a reliable onboarding process can improve retention as much as 82%. All right. Next is Employee Self-Service Portal or ESS. Okay, an employee self-service portal lets your workforce access basic functionalities from any location and any device. So the portal can be integrated with a variety of services, including benefits, payroll, and time and attendance, among others. Next is workforce scheduling software. A workforce scheduling software automates how employees, especially shift workers, are assigned tasks across the work week. So it helps to reconcile shift changes, accommodate requests, and scale schedule ups or down as per business volume. In our company, we use Jira. Some other companies, they use Asana, Trello. Okay, so those are example of project management software that we use in the industry. Oh, okay. Sa amin kasi we use Jira because I work for software development team. So most likely ang aking mga teammates are more on development. Okay, so it's really critical to manage IT teams. Okay, especially if they're working on a software, you have to um, track kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila. Okay, so next is Learning Experience Platform, LXP. LXP are an emerging HR tech tool, so they replace standalone L&D modules like mobile e-learning, web-based platforms, and open courses with a single coherent experience. Alright, thank you. So next is approach to IT teams. Hire a team you can trust. Your developers don't want to be micromanaged, which is why it's crucial to hire a team of remote developers that you can trust from the get-go. So that's especially important when they're working remotely. And you don't have to access to keep a close eye on all of their work and interactions. Uh, so that doesn't mean that they don't need any oversight. You need to train them and provide them tools and information they need to get their job done. But then get out of their way. So believe in your team, be approachable so they can voice their concerns and build a working relationship, build on trust and transparency. So trust. Okay, leverage the regular one-on-one and team meetings. Okay, regular one-on-ones and team meetings are the easiest way to ensure your developers or your IT teams have everything they need from you and are given the opportunity to ask clarifying questions. So it's important to strike a healthy balance between scheduling meetings that are productive and valuable, while ensuring your teams have enough time to focus on deep work and the development task at hand. So find a cadence that works best for you and your team. And be sure to prepare agendas in advance. So leverage regulars, one-on-ones, and team meetings. So next is adopt collaboration tools. So communication and collaboration are at the heart of software development or in any IT teams. But there are an even bigger struggle for teams who aren't co-located. So there are tools that can be used for remote team collaboration. So identify your team's specific needs to figure out which tools might work best to implement. So how important is direct messaging and other chat functionality? Do you need a file sharing system? Are you looking for a tool that will allow you to create a request backlog? In our company, we use Slack. Okay, it is a collaboration tool. Actually, it is a communication collaboration tool. We use that for our communications, uh, sending files. So it's a one-stop shop, actually, integrated with some other what you call the softwares. Okay. Okay, next is provide and ask for regular feedback. At the end of the development lifecycle, provide immediate feedback to your team members so they know what went well and where they can improve in the next cycle. So in software development is iterative and feedback should always be incorporated and discussed as part of ongoing improvements. So these are the examples how to approach IT teams. Okay, so use project development tools. Project management software has become more popular in recent times due to technological growth. Nonetheless, many project managers still do not employ software tools in their project management, while some feel like they would be fine coordinating teams without technological input. Others feel that the importance of the software management tools are exaggerated. As I've mentioned a while ago, in our company we use Jira kasi in our process it's really critical. Kasi nga, we handle different projects, no? Okay, for example, we're doing a software development in this particular project, another one, another two. So, pag pinagsama lahat yan, talagang madaming deliverables, maraming backlogs. So you have to keep what do you call this, monitoring all the teams kung ano ginagawa nila, track all the backlogs, ano yung mga issues na nakita nila. So you have to report it. Alright. So that ends my report, and thank you very much.